Morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to the next video. Today a long time, thanks for the support. Today a long time, thanks for the support, you see me? Really appreciate it. And if I follow for the first time on the channel, thanks for the support also and continue showing support. Yeah, I really appreciate it. I want to leave a like on the video guys, I want to comment and to think about this video. Yeah. I want to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Touch the bell for the all to be notified when I'm going to drop, you see me? Yeah. I want to share the video, help me grow. My dad 92 sub now, so share the video man, help me grow and all that. I want to reach 1k by next month end, so help me share the video guys, help me grow and all that. Help me reach my dream, help me reach my goal. Yeah, you subscribing and sharing the videos them and all that, I make me reach 1k and my goal. So do that for me. Let's be one big family. Just share the thing man, make me grow. Yeah, follow the IG Jeff876 and Yard Style Cooking and Adventure. The two link for the page them in the description, so just scroll down, click it and give me a follow up on the page them, you see me? Yeah, because before I post on YouTube, something like a snippet I always post on IG. So open my IG, we see what I've gone before I post on YouTube, you see me? Yeah, so just do it and follow me and subscribe to the channel and share the videos and all that. Yeah, see my title, but you don't know what the video all about. So that's why I click on the video, right? Life of a youth in the country. So the first thing a youth doing in the country when you wake up, brushing teeth, washing face and all that. Yeah. Because I use the bathroom inside, but I say no, man, did outside. Yeah. Come on, I think authentic Jamaican thing. I'm the person who have outside bathroom or they don't have bathroom if you go outside, you go, you know, do all that. Yeah, so that me do today. Yeah. First thing I'm gonna do, I check the almond tree and then check the apple tree, they'll drink a jelly and wash it down and all that. Cause I don't know. As a youth in the country, the first thing we do as a look youth, and the first thing we can do, I search a fruit tree as them wake up, so brush them teeth, then we do like chores and all that, then go check the fruit tree them. Yeah. See, some say, come along. Come in man, come in. So I check your almond tree and see what I go on. Hold on guys, before we go, look almond. I feed the fish them first. You see me? Yeah, who remember the pattern there, so I broke it out last night. I do a pattern for fry. You see me? So I'm chopping tree now. Pepper tree still not bear yet. Yeah. Can see blossom. Let's not see blossom on it. Every time put on blossom, then drop off. It's about 3 pepper get for the tree here. Yeah. You see? Banana, come on guys. Yeah. The pattern tree here, look like it's soon shoot. And the banana tree here, soon shoot too. So yeah. Alright, so I'm on here guys. It's a ripe one. But today we're not on that. On the dry one then. Alright, so one here. Yeah. I have to use it. See? 5 of them. So, you just take a stone, whatever you use, and beat the arm on them. Put on other stone and beat it. The one there now being not night. That's not good. And protect them and beat them, guys, because now beat them much for inside. 5, see? Yeah, man. So that's why we're going to so strong, because we have everything at disposal. So just go outside, and man lighter. The youth them attack the fruit tree them, where the mango tree for mango time, they attack the mango tree. They stone everything off it. If apple time, apple tree get red, jelly, kid, or whatever, you see me, but I'm not kid what about now. So how long for the jelly with you guys today? Man. Doing a good guy, doing nice. Not a good. Yeah, man. Alright. My show so that one good now. This one good. Say brown and pretty. Yeah, man. Don't let me have almond tree in the yard and go to the road and buy stuff with almond in the night. Yeah. I think me I say lately. Me I say himself. Why me I go to the road to buy stuff with almond and yeah, almond tree in my yard, I'm gonna eat them. So I'm start eat them since lately. Alright. Another one here. Guys, I'm sitting right here for all day. How much almond? Or almond? We Jamaicans call everything bad. Almond. God go with me. Almond. Almond. I tell you. Alright, so I'm going to let you know, guys. I'm going to apple tree now. So, come in, go to apple tree now. Let's walk over here, so. I'm just finding that cooking to you guys. Right here, so. Yeah, come off my tree. Alright, go on here, so. Yeah, you know, get a shake? Yeah, nice. Very coconut. It's apple tree, guys. None on it. That's ripe. Right now. But I don't say. Even though them pink, so they make it eat it apple way. When them pink, then can eat them sweet, same way. While yeah, some of them pink you can't eat them not at all. Yeah, so I'll go up and see if I can find even one. But they may look like rat eat them off. Let bite up. I'll go up in there. I'll show you how I can. Alright. This bite. Okay. Bite. What did me now good? I see. Okay. This done good. I say I want a good one. Okay. Bite. What them bite outside? Now come down back now. Easy and simple. See there? One little pink one. And we know, in the country, you know, we got a bush, but now no water to wash, no fruit. You see me? The people, if you don't wash, they never eat it. How do? But tap it up. Rub it like this. Rub it. that good. Or you can wipe on your grill like this, you know? Yeah, whatever you want to do. That up here, it's so good. That's so good, guys. So we're not no more. One last bite. It's so good, guys. Yes, sour. That's sour. No, sour meaning that's spoiled. Yeah, so that no pick a jelly. Yeah, man. See, like a jelly here. So they're small, but they're good same name. Some cheese they don't be big. Yeah, man. I add a tree here. So yeah, this other one over here. So you see me? Yeah, man. But see, I pay for this, but see Bedford tree here. Bunch there right here. So I'm gonna pick off a. Yeah, man, see, that's good now, yeah. That one tree have about 4 on it or 5. Some other shake off the whole 5 or so, half height. Alright, guys, so I'm shake already. Down here good. Down here good. You have some, but don't good, guys. You jump a tree from what do you? Right? Because you don't know, you can't shake up jelly, a bunch, I the man jump off. You see me? So I pick what here, then get much shake up. So one new jump off a tree, 2 right there, so yeah. Then get much shake up, so then jump off a tree. So on this bunch here, I can stop on a bunch here and I can go over there, so on a jelly tree over there, so yeah. So they have no fruit tree, guys. By fruit, we'll leap on a tree here. Yeah. So our next apple tree here, but never none right about now. Pimento tree. See? You want tonight? Nice dry coconut. And I can shake up my jaw. Sorry about that, guys. Some people are using things if you polish them floor with like red floor. Yeah, like they cut it like this. Playing the music, much of it though, and I do the same way, isn't me? Yeah. Put that right there. Let me show you something. Little meat are coming out. Come on, guys, so I just don't shell the jelly out about now. You don't know. Some youth now, either they go a river, just spend the river and all that. Yeah, but definitely need for that. Spend the river and cook on them things. So stay tuned, man. Them things soon forward. Just subscribe to the channel and keep on the lookout because none of them will soon forward, is it me? Yeah, man. So see you not here. If anything, we can make video with that today or tomorrow and upload it separate from this. Yeah. I'm show you one sauce of cheese now with one pan it, one diggy one. As them blossom, yeah, then drop off. I don't know why. Blossom is nasty on it, which everything with them say. So if you know something you can use or something you can do, let me stay on. Just comment below. You see me? Leave in the comment section. Because over the years, That's also 3 years. As the blossom, it drop off. One day company before and the job. So come in. You mean I'm showing you going. You don't know, you're churchy what you be right now. But one day one pan it. Yeah. Right now this small, some bigger one and big like lime. See there, you even good. Need no good today. Yeah man. I'm showing something guys. I'm showing all around in the country. Yeah. Here, as you see, you have whole night. Here in the country, you find one fruit and whole night. You look for the best part way. Alright. And cut it off or you bite it off. You see me? I'm showing you. And it's what's up now. Alright, see it here. See it here right here so. Enough blossom on the pan guys, enough blossom. Let me show you some pan load there. One here. One right here so. One there. Some right here so. Yeah man, it's full of blossom and I'm nasty and don't know. We can hack them. I don't know, maybe there's some where they pick from where they close up. They want man off for them one, so I don't know them safe to eat. Yeah man, so man look at those knock here so and link on the back of chicken and I don't know. Maybe clear chief get enough but a breakfast not much. Alright guys, man look at academy now. But the end of the climate tree because I couldn't find much. On the low limb can pick it in my hand. You see me? Yeah man. But I just say go still. Sometimes when I want to something man do it. You see me? So get them aquí clean and then my link on the back. So I'm say like the video guys, like up the video, share it out guys, share it out. So come in man, come in and let's grow together. Let's be one big happy family. Let's be a family where we can communicate about anything, you know, and we can link up on the videos and you know upload and eat and talk and laugh and help out one another, see me? You don't know. We can give each other strength and all that same way. So let's be one big happy family man. As I see it, you know, yeah. I always do videos where I know so people can learn something after. So let's come we can show you how ramen and mackerel can go together. If you have one ramen and one mackerel and a 6 sour, you can stretch it. I show you different way when you can prepare meals and things when you can use and create a meal. Yeah man. The funny video I forward see him here. I not stop doing kind of way phone there, see me, because I want to show people say yo, we're not the normal way, we can try new things. Yeah, so get academy clean up guys and link on the back, you see me? So soon come back. Yes guys, so exactly me get. Yeah man. Net for breakfast. Yeah. Them are the waste. Yeah man, so I do them right about now, you see me? But inside me I cook it though. Can't bother with the outside cooking today. You see me? Something change. Watching for a bit, you see me? Inside cooking me I create today. So I'm come back on the outside cooking. You see me? Because my nickname already is the outside cooking boss. Yeah. So come back guys. Yeah guys, so breakfast this. See flatten. Yeah, nice flatten. They're not too big still but nice flatten inside you see me? See academy here. Yeah. So I start peel them right now. Yeah, and see the pot here for the ackee. Water I go and add. Alright guys, so I'm throwing it flat now. Yeah. Don't know if it's flatten. I'm turning on the fire shortly guys because I don't want them burn up. And alright, so the key with this now, when I press flatten, you don't want to cook it on an high heat like this now and make the hook too fast, so it's hard to press. When I press it, it broke up. You see me? You want to slow cook so it gets soft and it start get crispy. When it gets crispy and inside tough, it's hard to do a broke up when you press it. You see me? Yeah, just turn it for you, cook it on a lower heat. Guys, if you can cover it up though. Yeah man, just cover it up. Say soak. Inside soak. You see me? You want basically your inside is soak. Yeah. Alright guys, so see what I boil up with the garlic and the pepper. So chew like it time now. Yeah man. The pepper there. I don't know, garlic and pepper give it a nice flavor. Yeah man, so you turn them on now guys. Come say, you want inside is soak and it's soft. You know, when I eat and outside burn up and inside tough. No, when you press it, it'll broke up. Alright guys, so pressing time now. I'm say, so them thing here, you don't want to rush them. See? You don't want to rush cook them. You have to cook slowly. See? Yeah man, nice. Alright guys, so everything pressed now. See? Nice. Pressing flat is a higher time. Say? Can't cook it too fast. Slow cook it. Just turn on the fire, make them go and soak. Now, they can turn on fire now. You see me? But it's still not too crispy now, it's not nice. And the crispy don't come like a chips. So salt time now. Don't add it too much salt. Yeah. Don't know so you can't put too much salt, you know? It's a mango man now broke up. Yeah man, so show it on the back on the fire now for 5 minutes and then we're done. Yeah man. So guys, we're throwing the pattern now. Quick time I'm done. I'm throwing the mirror and look on the key. Don't come back again. One little problem guys, the one little problem. I don't find any scallion, thyme and onion. I need to go and look by them there. You see me? But I don't say I go still. As the title say, life of a youth in the country. Sometimes when I have no seasoning, you see it because you cannot if you're hungry. And I don't say pepper and garlic I already got in the ackee. So that's a season by itself. Tomato in it. I want Maggi. And the season here now, I don't remember the season here now. I swear. But we use this in the jerk chicken what here. So yeah. Who can look on and comment below and tell me. Comment below and tell me. I don't remember the season here. Yeah. So I just say still. So I'm gonna take off it shortly and just fry up back this and just throw in it. Everything in it, you see me? So I'm soon come back, I'm soon show exactly what I go on. They me basically done now guys. You see me? Yeah man, then we're done. So, that's half for you. When you take them out now, quick and fast. Yeah guys, so see ackee here, pack gun back on fire, same time, you see me? So this right now is ready for oil back now, because you don't know the hot. I'm going to show up water and put it in it. Put it back on the fire, so I don't know, so I have to take it back fast. I put the oil warm, so yeah. Yeah man guys, so go on. Doing that now. Look at my season now. You don't know the salt. You can't put no salt in the garlic, remember I say The flat already have been a bit of a knife on it. Some people, because they're not saltfish, they put like extra salt knife, they saltfish, they like saltfish knife. Look at that. And stir up. Yeah guys, so for the turn down, so like half time I know. Boom. Serve food ready. So yeah, some bread there, 2 slices of bread. One, 3. Yeah, so this is breakfast, guys. Can't be done to me look on me look. Right now, guys, mango. You have 2 jelly remaining from this morning, so I'm gonna chop them and drink with my breakfast. You see me? I am not really a tea person unless the original like coffee, no chocolate and coffee tea and busy and them tea, you see me? But I'm not the person who get up every morning and make tea, and if me get up now and make tea, you don't come and see me make tea because I accompany camera and I'm sure from this morning to now, you see me? No, I want to be as real as possible. And I always say I don't really edit my video that much because I want to see everything authentic as possible, you see me? So yeah, chop a jelly and consume because we're hungry about now. Bad. Yeah man. Yeah, breakfast time now. It tastes like you are going to be aki. Really and true, guys. The aki, it don't taste that bad, you know, like you miss something because the water is going and all that, you see me? So you know, like you missing something, even though on the onion, scale and thyme, and them things don't go night, you see me? I'll show you this and all that, and then we start editing video the same time because I always film and edit right after I upload. Yeah. So more thing for me, guys. More thing is stay tuned for this video. By the subscribe to the channel for no time with a job. Put the bell up on all. Share the video. Share it up, man. Help me grow. You see me put in the work. I put in work for now. Show you so yeah. I have enough content to forward. I'm serious about this thing. Yeah man. For the IG, Jeff876 and Yardstyle Adventures. The link to the page them in the description. So scroll along, click it and give me a follow. Remember, support the thing, man. You burn up YouTube, overload YouTube, be a video back to back. Video drop like crazy. So just subscribe and stay tuned because enough more video forward. So shell on my food now and then get to work because the work not over yet. So look more, guys. Nice guys. Now done. Right now more. So anything remaining, I share it up because right about now my sister them talk what they want. So anything remaining, I share it along, you see me?